Well, this is a quick introduction to the Duplex Jet Vac Ultima. This is our best-selling steam, vacuum and chemical injection machine. Now, before I start, what you have to do before you start the machine is you need to fill it with water. The blue tank there is the water tank, and that's just tap water. The yellow filler is chemical if you want chemical, so you put the chemical in there already diluted. On the top here is a water filter vacuum. And a water filter vacuum takes debris out of the air without using a conventional filter, but it takes it out using water, which means 99.9% of anything the machine picks up is kept in the water, so it's quite pure air that's put back into the atmosphere. So I've already filled it with water. On the bottom of the machine, you've got a switch here. This is the main power switch right down the bottom. Okay, that needs to be switched on. Little display there which is staying off, and there's another power switch on the top of the body here. Press that and that will switch on the machine. Okay, this gives you the temperature reading. It's 129 centigrade. Gets up to about 160 when it's working. Okay, and then to generate some steam, you switch the boiler on, which is that switch there. Okay, and once it's up to temperature, we can start steaming. This is the hose, 4 metre hose. You've got a steam connection and a vacuum connection. So the steam connection fits into the front of the machine under this flap, and then the vacuum connection fits into the vacuum. Very simple. Now, like all of our machines, the controls for using the machine are actually on the hose itself. This is the main hose. This is what you'll be using when you're actually using the machine. And what we've got steam control, and you can have low pressure, medium pressure or high pressure. You can have vacuum, and I can switch that on you with this button. It's got a variable control, so you can have it low or high, and low is generally for doing soft fabrics or mattresses or upholstery. When you have it on high, you're normally floor cleaning or wall cleaning. Okay, so there's your variable control. And also we have a chemical injection button. Now, the machine will only put out chemical when you press the button. And you can actually hear that. You can only use this chemical when you actually need it. It doesn't put chemical out all the time. Now, the machine, you can see that's up to 163, so we can get the steam out of the unit. I'm on full steam, and on the bottom of the handle there I've got a little button, and that will let the steam out of the hose. Okay, I can turn the steam down so I can have just low pressure, and that's what you use for soft furnishing. The machine comes with a set of tools, the same as all of our machines, and I'm just going to run through them with you now. So first of all, you get extension tubes. Okay, so this is what you use if you're going to be cleaning the floor or a high level on a wall, etc. So you've got 2 extension tubes, and they just push together like that. The machine comes with a floor tool, which is this, and the floor tool fits onto the end, and then inside the floor tool you get 3 inserts, and these just push on and then lock into place using these clips. So again, that's very simple. Now you're ready to clean the floor. So this is obviously a carpet, but if it was on a hard floor, we'd have it on full spin. You can steam away. And you saw there that I had the steam on and the vacuum, so I was steaming and picking up at the same time, putting steam down at about 135 centigrade, so I was sanitising as well. So that's your floor tool. And your 2 extensions. The machine also comes with this detailing nozzle, and this is a steam and vac detailing nozzle, so we're going to get steam out of the top tube, and the vacuum's going to be sucking back into the unit, so we can steam. This is going to be quite loud. down, so we can just have a small amount of steam, and then we can also vacuum. And also, if you needed it, then you could have chemical injection. Now, this machine comes with 7 different attachments to fit onto this nozzle. You've got 3 polypropylene brushes, one's a large round one. You've got a triangular, and you've got a small round. These are just for general cleaning purposes, for corners, edges, equipment. There's no set way of using these brushes. It's just a matter of you see something you need to clean, you can scrub it with a steam and then pick up with the vac. You've got 2 metal brushes. One's a stainless steel and one's a brass, and they're really for heavy duty cleaning. Not something you use every day, but the machine comes with it in case you need it. Also comes with a scraper, which we use for chewing gum, and labels off of equipment. So if you get those annoying labels that are on equipment, new or old, you can use this to get rid of it, and also get rid of chewing gum if you've got chewing gum on maybe your entrance matting or the carpet or a hard floor outside. And then finally you've got this tool, which is a plug hole cleaner. It's got a gasket on it, soft gasket, and you put that over your sink plug hole, and that will blast down into the trap and release any grease, dirt or blockages that's in the trap, and blast it through, get rid of it, and also sanitize, so get rid of smells in the trap. So that's basically what the machine comes with. So it's hard floor, spot cleaning carpet, upholstery. You can also get a dedicated chewing gum kit for the machine, so you can use it for removing chewing gum. Obviously you can use it in toilets, etc. With the floor tool and the detailing nozzles. Comes with its trolley, which has 2 baskets, and it just sits on there happily, just producing steam as and when you need it. So that basically is the Jet Vac Ultima.